Hey guys, so today Ashley is going to be doing my makeup this time.
Yes, I am.
Last time when I did his makeup, he said that he could do way better.
It was horrible.
But still, so we gonna see.
I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna need your help. I don't even know what is on this table right now. It's a lot of stuff.
It's really
It's
not
a process.
that much. You're lucky, I don't really wear a lot.
You shouldn't wear any at all. You look beautiful, natural.
No.
Yes, let's do it. So what do I start with?
Remember what I did with
I don't know,
yours?
base.
Base?
A brush? No, pencil?
I usually do my eyebrows.
Okay, so let's start there. And what do you start with usually? I need guidance because I don't know what even goes on the eyebrow.
This one.
No help whatsoever.
I just said it's this one.
Okay, and then what am I supposed to do with this one?
So what color are my eyebrows?
They are black, brown.
So find a brown color.
So right now I am using this brush, this magical eyebrow brush. And I am dipping it in the Sexpresso.
Are you even getting any color on it?
I mean, I don't know.
You're able to hold the palette like a makeup artist.
I'm not a makeup artist.
Okay, don't do so much.
Then I am going to paint it. It's a little color. It's coming in. So how many times do you do this over?
Oh my god, what the? As many times as you think.
This is fun actually. Okay, we're finished. Take a look. They look beautiful.
Now you have to shape the eyebrows.
Shape it with what? Please point out the utensil. Let's do the normal. Let's go as natural as possible. That's what I'm thinking. Shape them. So outline them.
Yeah. What is with your tongue?
I'm gonna have these eyebrows on fleek in a minute. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but something is magically shaping up.
Is it?
I think so. I mean, because I kind of like them how they were, so I don't really understand this process. Other eyebrow? I hope I'm doing this right. There's the shape. You look beautiful. How do we do we smear this in, or like how does this work? I'm gonna use this. It is a foam device and it's cold. I'm gonna pat it in. I'm gonna blend it.
There.
This is fun. It's looking very good actually. Now we do your eyes. Oh, the powder. The base.
The base.
The base. And then Foundation. So
I have to help him clearly.
Yes, I've never done this before. I tried to tell you. Or I told you. I tried to tell you. So I'm using the same utensil I just used to apply now the foundation.
Wait, no.
Oh.
You can still paint my face. It's fine.
No. It's okay.
No, you can.
What do I use? I use this, and I do what? I dip this on here? No.
Do it the other way. How do you think this will pour out?
Nice. So now I'm going to continue to apply dots around their face and make sure I beat it correctly.
Oh my god. Your face
you can't
was so
move.
cute.
You can't move. Clearly, she doesn't do this often.
Good.
Think so. Think I did a good job.
Alright.
What's next?
Ooh.
You don't touch the products, let me touch them.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna take the NYX Wonder Stick and highlight and contour. So now I'm gonna take the NYX Wonder Stick and I'm going to highlight.
Did it fall out?
And contour your face.
Oh my god.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Tribal Indian status.
I'm actually Native American. What are you doing?
princess warrior.
What was that?
I am the chief, you're the queen. Please don't put that in the video. Now I blend that into the foundation. Yes. This is actually really fun. And once again, as I'm blending it, I still have yet to realize what this is doing. Okay, well, we have finished the contour process. You look so beautiful. So I grabbed the big brush for the powder. Where is the powder? Oh. So now I'm hitting her face with the powder. Oh man. Yes. I think I'm doing pretty well actually. Okay, lovely. And it smells really good actually. That was my favorite part. Now we do the eyes. Where do I start with the eyeshadow? Device 2. So I'm going to use the brush now for the eyeshadow portion. And I'm going to choose Coax, which is a metallic pink. Close your eyes. Ooh, this is hard. This is hard. I like this, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes. Turn your head this way.
You're so delicate with it.
Aw, you look so beautiful. So that was fun. Now what? The eyeliner. Maybelline. So, now I'm going to use the eyeliner to hopefully outline her eyeballs and not poke her with this. Okay. And we are almost done. Don't want to hurt anyone.
Did you just put it lower? Are you going under?
Yeah, I want the full effect.
Okay.
Close.
Oh no.
Why are you looking at?
You just feel it. Shut up.
Maybe I took the wrong approach. I'm just gonna do the other side. I'm gonna leave that side just like it is. Still a pretty eye. Blue. I was supposed to stop on that one. Don't worry, I got you. There we go.
Alright.
I probably changed the bottom part, but since we already got it there, let's just keep going. I'm gonna contour powder the cheeks. Get that contour on fleek. Suck it in. Thank you. Highlights. Let's go with the pink.
That's not the highlights.
Wait.
These are. That's blush.
Alright, well, we're gonna do the highlight then. Let's do gold.
Oh.
Oh, yes. Yes. I love this. Alright, so we got the highlights on fleek. Mascara. Okay. Go one side. Get that other side. Mascara.
Oh my god.
There we go. I think I suck at this. You did worse. We did about the same. Let's do lip gloss. This is for the lips, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm applying the lip gloss. Some Kylie Jenner's. Now give me a nice little...
Do you like what you did?
Yes, this is amazing. Besides the eyeliner part, I think everything else is on fleek, honestly. I don't know what you guys think, but with a little bit of more help and maybe not so much eyeliner, I probably would kill you off.
Shut.
Check yourself out. Ready?
Oh my god, the eyeliner! What?
Everything else is on fleek though, right?
Mm.
Yeah, I did pretty good. I did better than you. The eyeliner, right? Eyebrows is nice.
Eyebrows are a little
Nice.
messy. Good contour.
Thank you. Hey.
I still think I did better.
I'll still holler at you and get your number though.
What? Okay, so this is his beautiful makeup look. Comment down below on what you think of his makeup. I look a little bit crazy. Follow us on our social media. I'll have it linked down below so you guys know, but make sure to follow, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!
Peace.